Hello friends, today I recommend a car vacuum cleaner to you. I have used it myself for a long time. Also recommend to my friends. They all find it very useful. This vacuum cleaner is 4.1mm multifunctional. It has multiple functions and is very powerful. Strong suction sucks up a lot of dirt. Lighting at night can also inflate tires, test the tire pressure, etc. It's perfect for a car. That's why I recommend. Let's take a look at its packaging. View from outside. It is a very practical cloth bag. The bag can be carried by hand. Convenient when using a vacuum cleaner. The side of the bag is zippered. Now open the zipper. See what's in there. I will now take out the product and introduce it. First, this is 4.1 function vacuum cleaner. It has a power cord. The length of the power cord is 3 meters. Other end of line, there is a socket for a cigarette lighter link. It has 120 watt power, 3500帕. So to link to cigarette lighter, use after the car is started. The battery is too low to use it. Look at this vacuum cleaner. It has a tire pressure test gauge. The handle has a button that pushes back and forth. Push forward and backward have different functions. Look ahead. There's a small light here. It has the function of lighting at night. There's a button in the back. See later how these buttons are different. This thin hose is specially used to inflate the tire. This kind of thick hose is used to suck some larger garbage. 3 air pump heads for tire inflation can also inflate bicycles, balls, etc. It's a small brush for brushing away the hair. Or we have a pet, bring it to the car. We'll drop a lot of brush on the seat. Easy to clean with this brush. Bristles are great. This is the converter. Can be used to connect in this. One end of the thick hose for easier vacuuming. Flat mouth suction port. It is only a few tenths of millimeters thick. You can use it to suck up the garbage in those crevices. There is also a converter. Finally, this instruction manual. Details on how to use it. Can look at it. First, connect the wire socket to the car cigarette lighter. Let's test this vacuum cleaner first. What is its specific functionality? Push the button forward to vacuum. Look at the pushback. Pushback for inflating tires. Look at the buttons behind the handle. Here's a light that illuminates. It can also be used conveniently at night. Let's look at its suction power. £3500 large suction. A converter can be connected at one end of the hose. Plug the hose into the connector. The front of the vacuum cleaner has an interface. Insert it again. I've already put some garbage on the seat. I use this thick hose for the suction cleaning test. This is flat mouth. Flat mouth suction mouth is generally used inside the seat gap, special targeted cleaning, small garbage in the crevices. Okay, let's see this little brush. The bottom of the brush can also be inserted vacuum cleaner socket. This is the garbage after cleaning. There's a lot. Press the front buckle. The filter is removable, can be washed in water and used repeatedly. Okay, take the garbage outside and throw it out. Install the vacuum cleaner. The power cord has a length of 7 meters. Easy to use outside the car. We demonstrate inflating tires. Hose inserted into inflation port. Link to vacuum cleaner to inflate. Can also check tire pressure.